lemongrass again.
Nice.
Magandang hapon po and welcome po ulit dito sa aming YouTube vlog, Ang Sarap. Ako po si Hipon
And my name is Christine Pasio.
and ngayon po kami ay magluluto ng very special dish. This is very special to me, very special to my wife. My mom especially, she's the one that always would request this specific dish, and it is the type of dish that can be seen in the Visayan region, but it is also can be seen in different country.
Yes, I believe so. India.
Thai. So we're
Thailand.
gonna be making this a little bit of a fusion style,
Right.
but it is gata. Whatever you call it, it is going to be a gata.
Coconut milk.
So, sana naman po makasama nyo kaming magsubaybay dito sa episode namin. Dito po sa aming kitchen, our very humble small kitchen.
Yes.
And we have a little bit of story about why we're making this
Yes.
today.
So today we got food from our neighbor. She shared their dinner with us, and it is a fish ceviche. And so in
Very
return,
good.
we are going to make them something special.
Yeah, since we're making our dinner for tonight, Ginataang, and they gave us some fish, a ceviche, a seafood night for Friday. We're gonna make them some of our special, our special dishes from the Philippines.
Not only this neighbor, but we all have neighbors around here that we
Always
food.
share.
We always have food sharing. So,
Very loving family in this neighborhood that we have,
yes.
in most part.
Right? And so hopefully you be our neighbor too.
Well,
So we're ready to roll, right?
we're ready to make our gata, and please check out our ingredients.
Hi everyone. So this is the ingredients. And first of all, I'd like for you to see the shrimp. What we have here is shrimp with head. Some of them we cut it up because we wanted to show you that this is what it looks like when you smash it, because it has the flavor in it. Next is the cream or coconut cream, and then we have our spices right here, which is a Thai pepper, the lemongrass, ginger, and garlic. And for taste, we would have to put in the salt and pepper. So as soon as it's done and we're ready to plate, I have my own special place over here where I have cilantro and mint, just for the look. I'm all about the preparation. Right on.
I'm using regular vegetable oil. I would have used olive oil, but we had some extra vegetable oil that I was gonna use that I didn't want to throw away, so we're gonna use this.
So tell me, what's with the garlic husk in there?
It gives it a little,
Taste?
not the taste,
Flavor?
the fiber.
Really? That's
I was
good.
lazy. No, I like this. I like the skin being in there because it does kind of help the taste of the garlic. It doesn't make it overwhelming, but it also gives it a good flavor.
There's a difference in taste.
There's a definitely, especially when you're frying anything stir fry. Inuna ko muna yung mga mababango. Yung buong pepper. The crushed pepper, the sliced pepper will be put on later on. Yeah. Ito yung shrimp head na dinikdik namin. Makakatulong sa lasa, to help the taste, and also the color. Mag-ingat lang po kayo.
Really yummy around here, but I'm sorry you didn't like.
So kung pwede po, keep it on a high heat hanggang kumulo itong gata, lalapot siya. Dagdag na to, pangpabango pa rin, lemongrass siya. Depende kung gaano kataba yung shrimp na nabili nyo. Yung ulo ng shrimp, they usually have a lots of fat. Siguro yung nabili namin, hindi naman masyadong mataba. So yung kulay niya, hindi siya masyadong makulay. Not as colorful as I want. But the taste is going to be awesome. That's 2 tablespoons total, both. Actually, 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon of half, which means half teaspoon of salt and pepper. Actually, I like mine with a lot of pepper, but I put half and half. At tulad ako, gusto ko yung maanghang. And here goes the best part.
A few moments later.
Ayan na po, ready na.
Ready with my
Ikaw naman, it's your turn.
Yes, my turn. Here it is. Yeah, so to go back right now. So
Ganda. Look at that.
Alright. What do you think, guys? It's time to dig in.
Ready na po,
So
Mami.
ready. I'm so ready. Thank you, Chef. Thank you. This is
Yan
so
po.
amazing. So now for the tasting. Okay, here we go, and this is how it's supposed to be done. Showing you how we
How to eat your gata.
eat the gata.
First, you take the gata or the shrimp. You take the head off and you suck it.
Okay, or in the more feminine ways, you just squeeze that head off.
And I like the sauce. Oh my goodness.
Yes, and you can dip that meat into the coconut cream sauce, and it's heaven taste. So this may take a while for you guys, and it does need to take some patience in it.
If you notice,
He's already-
kinakain ko even the skin. I like it. I don't know. I'm just used to it.
Oh my gosh.
Magkamay na.
Like always. Explain to them what you got.
Hmm?
Just explain to them what you got.
Which one?
So this one, he doesn't have
Oh,
the
this one
head.
doesn't have the head. This is the additional one.
It's just an easy. It's been
Dinagdagan lang namin dahil we didn't have that much shrimp.
Yes, because we're sharing. But this family can eat, especially with this dish.
Oh, thank you so much again for your bye-bye for, excuse me. She's making me talk. I got my mouth.
But thank you for following us and liking our page and talking about us, commenting.
And to all our sponsors, oh, we don't have any sponsors.
To all our subscribers.
We're just doing this for to give information, you know, and doing the things that we love to do, and hopefully that we can share this passion, and hopefully that you guys can learn even just a little bit of the Filipino dish that we make.
Yes.
And we thank you so much again for tuning in to Ang Sarap. Thank you
And
so
it
much.
is very masarap.
Mm.
Ang sarap. See this? Caught on camera. I'm being.
Hi, Tamalu. Hi, Tamalu. What are you doing, girl? Where's my baby? What are you doing?
So yummy.
Special effects.
Caught on camera. Don't